You part your hair down the center, check the mirror, and notice it looks awkward, heavy, and completely flat. The middle part presents itself as a simple hairstyle. You draw a line down the middle and assume the job is done. In reality, it requires a specific set of physical and technical requirements to stay in place. When you scroll through social media, you see the polished, final results. What those posts leave out are the months required to grow the hair to the correct length, and the specific shaping required on the sides to make it fall naturally. To make this style work, we have to look past the surface and implement a 5-layer system. Before you even touch a styling product, you need 2 physical prerequisites. Your hair must be long enough on both sides to actually fall, and you need a barber to cut specific layers into the shape. If the style isn't sitting right, it usually means one of the physical or technical steps in the process was skipped. Step 1 is clearing the length threshold. If your hair is too short, the strands cannot obey gravity. They will either stick straight up or push backwards against your scalp. Step 2 requires layered structure. This cross-section compares a blunt, heavy cut on the left to staggered, tiered layers on the right. A heavy, uniform cut locks the strands in place. By cutting the hair into these tiered layers, you remove excess weight. This allows the remaining strands to maintain the overall shape while moving freely. Step 3 is texture. Perfectly straight, silky hair often struggles to maintain this look because the strands slide past each other. A slight natural roughness creates friction, which helps the hair hold its volume. Without proper length and internal layers, applying pomade, clay, or sea salt spray won't hold the shape. The physical foundation must be built first. This grid shows 5 distinct variations of the style. The basic middle split is simply a blank canvas. You have to select the version that fits your routine. The curtain cut provides a soft, balanced look. It sits evenly on both sides and serves as a starting point for beginners. The undercut creates high contrast. By keeping the sides short and the top long, you build a sharper edge. The messy texture variation requires low daily effort. It relies on natural movement, allowing the strands to sit as they fall. For formal environments, the slick back offers more control. On the opposite end, the classic flow provides a relaxed aesthetic. Forcing a high-maintenance variation onto a low-maintenance daily routine makes the style difficult to manage. Match the cut to your lifestyle. Step 4 is daily styling. You must adhere to the dampness rule. Never style your hair when it is dripping wet, and never style it completely dry. Towel it off until it is lightly damp. Apply a small, controlled dose of leave-in conditioner or light product. Heavy applications add immediate weight, pulling the strands downward. Using both hands, push all of your hair straight backwards. As gravity pulls the strands forward, they will split on their own, revealing the natural separation point on your scalp. If you try to draw a perfectly straight line down the center with a tool, you force the hair to lay against its growth pattern. It will struggle to hold its shape throughout the day. Take your blow dryer and move it continuously from the front of your forehead towards the back of your crown. As the air hits the roots, use your free fingers to lightly guide the side hair outward from the center line. Stop drying the moment the hair is almost dry. Even with the right length and cut, skipping these drying mechanics is often why the style collapses before lunch. It is the step that locks the physical foundation into place. Step 5 is maintenance. Throughout the day, a plastic comb is the least effective tool you can use for this specific cut. As this cross-section shows, rigid comb teeth press the hair strands flat against the scalp. This action removes the air gaps you built with the blow dryer. Switch to your hands. Sliding your fingers beneath the roots separates the strands and reintroduces those air pockets. Making these minor manual adjustments throughout the day helps retrain your root direction. Over time, your hair begins to accept the new shape more naturally. When you implement all 5 of these steps, the hair maintains its volume and movement from morning until night. While everyone starts with different hair tips, the difference between a flat look and a structured style comes down to how you apply these steps every morning. Grow the hair to the proper length, secure a layered cut from your barber, and use the correct drying and maintenance techniques. If this framework helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more systems that improve your routine.